Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to give you an important tip. So if you are in social marketing field and if you want to increase engagement of your audience, so I am going to share a few tips. So first thing is, if I talk about you are from digital marketing field, so just write hashtag digital marketing and click there and start engaging on top post. You can see it here. Okay, and if you can convey a few more minutes, then just do read this post, or if you don't have time, so just randomly like scroll it, like it, and move forward. Do it around for 20 to 30, 20 to 40 posts within one day. So this is one way. And if you like any post, if you take some insights from it, so you can wait and you can also comment there, so that you like, it's a kind of engagement, right? You are engaging on others content, and then you can also expect to get the same engagement from their side too. And yeah, once done, what you can do is just make sure that you are not at all liking any post that is not good, like this one if I talk about. So removed it. Okay, so for more also you can, like if I talk about secret Canva codes, you must try. So I can comment here insightful, right? So I have commented here. Okay, so like the same way you can also like you can look for others content too, and just keep on liking it. Like if I talk about this, so this post has nothing to do with my work, right? So I have removed the like. So you can just keep on liking it. So same for this. So like in this also you can comment something, right? Here you can see the same field. So for this also you can write, or if you like it, so you can write some comment. Okay, so this is one way to do it. And second way is, firstly you have engaged on others story, others post, and you have liked it, you have commented on it. And other than this, what you can do is, if I talk about, this is Canva update. So when you'll see this like this person's you can see just before follow button, you can see no knock Werner design. So you can see in her DP there is a circle, that is she has put some story, and her profile is public, as we are able to see this post. And we are not at all following him right now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click here in her story, and yeah, review glitch. Okay, I'm just going to engage it. Okay, I engage on it. So you can also engage on it. So if first is you are commenting, you are liking on others post. Second is you are checking others story, and third way is you can suggesting businesses, or say individuals, so that they can come and collaborate with you in many ways. Maybe you both can decide on one topic, and then start creating graphics for it, and then you can post it. It's like, it would be like you are posting it, and then you are also inviting that person to collaborate. So the likes will be mutual. So whatever likes you are getting, that person will also be having that like, as that post is mutual for both the accounts. So this is another way to do it. So yeah, these are the few like ways that if you are engaging your time on a daily basis, 1 to 2 hours, if you are even providing 1 to 2 hours, so that would be like very good to gain new audience. And if you want to check whether it is working or not, whatever you are doing, so you have seen I have liked many posts, and you can see I have not put any story so far, like for the day today. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to use any any of my post to put on the story, right? So I'm using this one. You can see it right here. So I'm using this one. Do you know the benefit of doing it? So if whoever is going to visit my profile, so that person will be checking my story also, obviously. So if I am interested in anyone's profile, I will be checking that person's posts and everything, and then I will also try to check that person's stories, if there is any, so that I can get to know what the person is doing like within that 24 hours. So that's a good tactic if you are doing it, so you can understand. And even if you can do it on a daily basis, today suppose if you have got 5 new viewers, right? And maybe tomorrow you will get at least 1 to 2 new like return viewer from these 5 viewers, and also with new unique viewers. So that's a great way to understand whether your page is getting good impressions or not. And if yes, so though we can understand that whether our page is getting good new audience or not from analytics thing, but we won't be able to understand who are the person who came and visited our profile. Just like on LinkedIn, people come visit our profile, and if we are using premium, we can get to know every name within these 361 years. So within 1 year, whoever is visiting our profile, we can get to know on LinkedIn if we are using premium version. But this is not the case when it comes to Instagram. So in order to understand your audience name, so what you can do is just put something on your story. That person will be coming visiting your profile, and then it will be checking your story too. So once that person will check your story, you can get that name in viewers list of your story. Then from there you can take it like according to your need. So this is truly a right way and great way. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.